Welcome back to Curiosity Kids. I'm Joy with ACCPF, and today we are going to make root view cups or a root view box, depending on what supplies you have at home. For your root view cup, you're going to need 2 clear cups, scissors, a pencil, tape, and dark colored paper. For your root view box, you're going to need milk container, plastic or cling film, masking tape, scissors, and a pencil. So today I have 2 helpers. I have Tate and Quinn, and we are going to start filling our root view box or cup. So the first thing we're going to do is we have our supplies. So we have our box and our cup that we made. We have potting soil, but if you don't have potting soil, you can just go out and dig up some soil from the yard. And then we also have seeds. We have several different kinds of seeds, so if you have more than one type, that's the best. But if you don't, that's okay. And then we also have our science or nature journals that we're going to record the data into. So the first thing we're going to do is take the soil and just fill up your container with soil. We're not going to fill it up to the very, very top because you don't want to be able to put some water in there. So don't overfill it because then the water is not going to stay in. So next we've got our seeds. So we've chosen 3 different types of seeds because we want to compare how the different plants grow. We've got 3 seeds. Bigger seeds are going to be easier for you to see, but use what you can find, all right? Once you have your seeds all planted, you put your cover on your seed cup, or make sure you close your window, and if you need to, you can put a little bit of tape on there. Add a little water, because plants need water to survive, just like humans. Place it in a sunny window so it can feel the heat and the light and start to grow for you. Then you're going to want to do your first entry in your nature or science journal. We always want to include the date, the location. If we are outside doing this experiment, include the weather and that kind of information like we talked about before. And then maybe draw a picture of what your box looks like every few days or so, you're going to want to go back to your seed cup or your root view box and make observations in your journal. So things that you can always ask, always start with your prompts that say, I notice, I wonder, and it reminds me. So you can start there. Make your observations. How thick are they? What color are they? How long are they? Which ones are growing faster? Do we know? So those are all questions you can ask. And then there's going to be more questions inside your instruction sheet that you can refer back to if you want to dig deeper into your experiment. That is it for Curiosity Kids today. So check us out next Monday for another outdoor science experiment. So make sure you can go to acparks.org to find your instructions and get journaling, and feel free to send us pictures or emails about what you've been doing and what you've been learning. So bye everybody.
Bye.